And there goes Sue. It is just before 9 a.m. and she's gonna pull the trailer into the exhibit space, and we are in the same place that we were last year. Goes on for miles. Brand new, white and shiny.
Ooh, indeed.
Day 2 setup in the, what's it in?
In the what?
I don't know, it's done.
It's done.
It's in the something.
Well, we're here in central Georgia. We're in Perry. And it's going to be a wild weekend. I know that much.
Yep. I think I have put as many things as you could conceivably put on those shelves. Okay, so here we are. It is the end of day 2 setup, and tomorrow the market opens. We forgot pins to put the jewelry on the mannequin, so we will go and get that stuff tonight, along with some other things. We forgot a broom and dustpan, and I've got glitter all over the floor from opening packages. You'll see a lot of our decor does have glitter. Sorry, Julie. And of course, this is our main Christmas display. Yes, I am aware that it is only mid-August, but believe it or not, we do expect buyers to be shopping Christmas.
We have a lot of shelves, and you used every last inch of the shelves, and I still had to put boxes back with stuff in it, so that's a good thing.
That's a good thing. So we do have overstock, which I usually try not to have overstock. I usually try to finagle all of it into the booth so that that everybody gets, you know, the selection of stuff on day 1. But in this case, there are some things that did not make it on the floor today that will be there for day 2 that were not there on day 1.
It's true. It's true.
That never happens. This is our traditional little fella. He is the mascot for our booth. Some fun little rag wreaths that I made sitting watching TV. And then, of course, our fall and Halloween displays. I've tried to make use of just about every square inch of space. I love the new display shelves that my son made for us for market. I left my tripod in the car.
Oh yeah.
And you're just gonna have to deal with me switching hands back and forth.
It's a little shaky, but no big deal.
So let's talk about numbers. So this is when we goal set.
She's got some goals, man. She got some big goals.
So I'm gonna talk about goals that I have for the whole season. We went big and we signed up for 8 market shows
from now until
December 6th, I think.
So the first weekend of December.
I'll leave the flyer that I made with all the shows that we'll be at. But for the most part, whatever we have this weekend is for 2 markets.
I left a few things behind on accident, so maybe a good thing.
So it might work out. And I think that we have utilized just about everything here. There's a lot of really good focal points. I really like this cascading greenery, and the little bunnies kind of peeked in. Those are our overstock bunnies. And just simple decorations on this tree. We of course have a ton of more ornaments than this, but I really wanted to pick ones that I thought would be special for this market area. Full market, all 8 shows.
All 8. So from now until the end of the year.
Are you sitting down for this?
Please be sitting down for this.
Please be sitting down for this.
She's going to say it, and I'm still not sitting down enough.
As my husband says, it would not be a Melissa goal if it wasn't high. My goal for market, for all 8 shows, total combined, this does not include sales on Shopify outside of market, and it doesn't, unless they are on market days, because I'm not splitting all that out. And it does not include anything we do on any other channel or at the shop. This is just market days.
She's been crafting like a fiend for this.
My goal is for us to do $100,000 between the 8 markets.
Kind of blows my mind. Does it blow your mind? Kind of blows.
Hi, Susu.
Hi.
This is
Boop, there's a Christmas tree.
Boop, there's a Christmas tree. And so this is the back of that display, which is Christmas on top and fall on the shelves below. And you might be wondering why we just chose to display Christmas on the main aisle instead of fall given the season. But the truth is that I think more money will be spent in the Christmas area than in fall. And that is because we are one of the only vendors here featuring Christmas.
Was my mind.
So averaged out, that is roughly $12,500 for each market. And we know last fall we did almost $18,000 at Diamond D. So some we're gonna do better at, and some we're gonna do worse at.
It's true. And I think you're lining up some good purchases for us. So we should have some good inventory.
One of the things that we changed is we really went to almost 100% smalls.
Yeah.
So we eliminated furniture completely.
Out.
There is no furniture for sale in our booth.
Which is funny because I saw so many booths set up.
There were so many new booths, so many new vendors, and they're all furniture vendors.
Yeah.
So we'll see if that was a good decision or not.
I can't wait to walk around in the morning because we haven't
had a chance to do any of that yet. And I am excited to see some of the new vendors. So for this market, last year, I had to watch the video.
Last year we did good.
Last year we were not nearly as prepared. We did not nearly have as much stuff.
We didn't know what to expect.
Right? Because it was our first time. So this is our second fall market here. And last year we did roughly 10,800.
And so
I'm sorry, 9,800. 9,800.
I figured we'd do about that, maybe a little better, because I think we got a lot of really good smalls that will sell.
So my low end goal for this market is $10,000. And my high-end goal is 13.
Which is possible.
And markets like these is where the big Christmas shoppers come. This is kind of our junk behind the scenes. We haven't worked on cleaning this up at all. It'll be cleaned up tomorrow. And then here is the back side of the new floral display. And we've got a lot of merchandise that is unusual or new for us, so I hope that it does well. And so for us to hit those numbers, what I anticipate, so you'll be able to follow along with us, what I anticipate is that tomorrow, Friday, we will need to do about $6,000 in sales, because typically Friday is the best day.
We get the good shoppers on Friday.
Usually we do.
We get, and I don't know if this is going to hurt us or if it's going to help us, but there's another event happening at one of the other buildings at the fairgrounds.
It's a Boy Scout thing.
No. This is not a Boy Scout thing.
Oh, that was today?
This is called Buckarama, and it's for all the deer hunters out there getting together. So I'm figuring, you get all your deer hunters over there, and then, like, if they happen to bring their wives with them, or if their wives get bored with the deer hunting, they can come over and shop with us, and everybody's having a good day.
So we'll see.
So we'll see if that helps boost our crowds.
So my expectation for the weekend to hit the goals is 6,000 tomorrow, 5,500 on Saturday, and 1,000 on Sunday.
Yeah, Sundays tend to be really, really slow.
Yeah. One of the things that I expect to do really well is actually ornaments, and that's because I'm offering free personalization on all of our wooden ornaments when they buy them. So we have lots, including some additional backstock. There are hundreds of them, and at $6.95 a piece, we're hoping that's going to be some really good profit.